Micromax Informatics on Monday announced a partnership with KaiOS Technologies in order to create a unique mobile experience for the former's customers in Sri Lanka and Middle East. The collaboration is expected to enable KaiOS support for Micromax's feature phones, allowing users to enjoy a native experience with access to several third-party apps. Electronics giant Micromax will soon be announcing a new feature phone powered by KaiOS. The feature phone is expected to offer virtual assistants, instant messaging apps, and video call capabilities. KaiOS is a Linux-based forked version of Firefox OS that is made for smart feature phones. Reliance Jio's Jio phone is one of the first mobile phones to run this operating system out of the box. KaiOS recently got support for the Facebook app. Commenting on the launch, Vikas Jain, co-founder at Micromax Informatics said, "Mobile devices are increasingly becoming our constant companions, and the advanced experience and host of mobile services are driving that trend." KaiOS combines the powerful capabilities of a smartphone with the affordability of a basic handset, and we are extremely proud to announce this partnership that will help us empower users in emerging markets with the best technology. If we look at the statistics, there is still huge gap when it comes to handset adoption in the emerging markets, owed in large part to the lack of good feature phones in the sub-$50 category. Since its inception, Micromax has always believed in massifying and democratizing technology. And today yet again, we reinforce our commitment by providing our users with best-in-class mobility experience, at an affordable price point, that will bridge the gap for the consumers. Commenting on the launch, Sebastian Codeville, CEO at KaiOS Technologies said, "There are still billions of people in emerging markets without basic internet access. Even in matured markets, large groups of people are missing out on new opportunities because they are unfamiliar with what technology has to offer. We solve these problems by working with partners to offer reliable and affordable products and services." The launch of KaiOS-powered Micromax feature phones across markets will usher in a new era by providing access to internet, apps, and more. We also congratulate Micromax for fueling the growth of Digital India. We expect to connect the next billion users to the internet and more through our partnership with Micromax.